Welcome back. So, as a part of our discussion on healthy lifestyle, is the issue of drinking water. We recommend that for you to remain healthy, that you should take sufficient amount of water daily. For a normal adult, we expected to take between 2.5 to 4 liters of water each day. That is, by estimation, we expected to take about 5 to 8 sachets of water, the sachet water people call pure water, or the bottled water, the big bottles, between 2 and 2.5 or 3 bottles per day. It's okay for you to be rehydrated. I know that water helps the cells and the reactions in the body to occur normally, and being hydrated helps in a whole lot of things. Wound healing helps you to keep refreshed, and not when your tongue is looking furry and white and you think you have some illnesses, or your urine becomes deep brown or yellow. Start accusing malaria. It may not be malaria, you may just be dehydrated. So drink enough water to remain healthy